Hello, my name is Chong Lee Pin. I am the final year student of Product Design Department. In this video, I will show you the final project that I have done. Outdoor furniture Utopia bench. Utopia bench designed purposely as a modular outdoor bench made by metal wood and also the carbon steel. The reason I named it as Utopia bench is for create a perfect place to assemble people. The idea of design is developed by follow the concept of placemaking and also the modular system. Utopia bench is an outdoor bench that placed in apartment recreation area, or another word is the leisure park, which apartment residents can meet their neighbors or meet with each other and become the place for having a conservation or communication, or a place for them to relax. As a modular bench, Utopia bench is adjustable. User can easily to move the formation of seating arrangement into individual set or group based on the user preference. So let's look about the seating formation of Utopia bench. The problem statement in my research project is: first, public space is not well used by humans, which can become a good place. Second, lack of community between humans due to the COVID pandemic. Third, communities are not effectively using public space to create vital, vibrant, and livable that people want to live, work, play, and learn in. For my objective in my research project are: first, to identify place-making concept furniture. Second, to propose a design by implementing concept of place-making furniture. And last, to analyze most significant type of furniture to implemented in recreation area in apartment.